Okay, I think we're rolling. Maybe we'll stand this up a little better. Hello, Bren Jammers. Here we are, still in Mexico for indefinitely. Safer here than there, it sounds like, by the feedback we're getting from people who've left already.
More pleasant.
And everything's outdoors, so yeah. Still feeling healthy as horses here. Nay. Smells like horse manure. I've been fertilizing the garden. But anyway, it's been windy here with a cold nor'wester.
I've been fertilizing the garden with the neighbor's horse poo, not me. Thank you. Okay.
Okay, we got the point across. But yeah, it's been chilly down here, but the wind switched to south again, and now we're warmed up. And so we're going to do wild windy weather instead of some snowball song that we were thinking of earlier when you guys were snowed in. I hope it's mostly melted. Here we go. Wild windy weather, hearts are beating close as one to the windy weather till the night is past and done. I was just leaving and I saw you standing there. I soon forgot my reasons. Now I'm tangled in your hair. Hold me close, baby. Hold me close, baby. See from the south wind, pelicans flying. Low on the water, harbor gulls are crying. Lights blinking softly, the pull of the tide. Ran over beaches, reached for the sky. Wild windy weather, hearts beating close as one to the windy weather till the night is past and done. I was just leaving and I saw you standing there. I soon forgot my reasons. Now I'm tangled in your hair. Hold me close, baby. Hold me close, baby. The magpies were watching the day I left home. Down to the station, walking alone. Logging truck gear down, making the grade. Whining the song out, the song I might go in. Wild windy weather, hearts are beating close as one to the windy weather till the night is past and done. I was just leaving and I saw you standing there. I soon forgot my reasons, but now I'm tangled in your hair. Hold me close, baby. Hold me close, baby. I'll tell you a story of Amarillo. Late in December when those cold northern winds blow. Driving through Texas on a Christmas day. The candlelight magic in old Santa Fe. Wild windy weather, hearts are beating close as one to the windy weather till the night was past and done. I was just leaving and I saw you standing there. I soon forgot my reasons, but now I'm tangled in your hair. Hold me closer, baby. Hold me closer, baby.